How to get $150 Wayfair coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Wayfair promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, couponfollow.com. Once you open the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Wayfair. This is the legit website where you're going to find a working coupon code for Wayfair. So scroll down and check out the offers. You can see that $300 off, $200 off, 30% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you want to get the code for it. Now I can copy this code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on Redeem at Wayfair. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you are on the website, log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Wayfair. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Wayfair. So this way you can easily get up to $150 working coupon code for Wayfair. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.